Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Document not working in 2026. If Document isn't loading, generating documents, or responding properly, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A slow or unstable network can prevent Document from loading correctly or completing document generation. Next, refresh the document page or close and reopen your browser. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then sign in to your account again. Now verify that you're using a supported and up-to-date web browser. If necessary, try accessing Document in a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related problems. Next, check your document template and data fields. Make sure all required fields are mapped correctly and that no essential information is missing before generating a document. If you're using integrations such as Google Sheets, Make, Zapier, or the Document API, confirm that your connections are still active and properly authorized. Reconnect them if needed. Now generate a test document using sample data. If an error appears, read the message carefully to identify whether the issue is related to your template, data, or integration settings. Finally, if Document is still not working, check whether the service is experiencing a temporary outage. If the problem continues, contact Document support and include the exact error message along with details about your template and workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Document not working step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.